What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delighting, and much interesting video here on the channel. So this one, it's about Zubby Michael, legendary pet Edochie, and Humblesmith spotted in a movie location in Enugu, Nigeria, doing their movie thing. Anyway, it was a project called Ikemba. The movie is called Ikemba, the movie they're actually working on, and Pet Edochie is inside the movie. Zubby Michael is inside the movie. That means it's going to really be an amazing project. And I feel like I don't know how Humblesmith find his way into the Nollywood scene, but however, he is highly welcome and he was really received in Enugu. Anyway, that's what I'll be bringing to you here on the channel, the entire highlight on how he went down there doing the movie shooting and all of that. You could see the love and the excitement from the location. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, turn on post notification, share, comment in the comment section. Without further ado, let's dive right into the
Hey, your boys are around. Your boys are here. I just got to get it. I'm there.
Maybe you might not have heard this, but Zubby Michael still is one of the strongest street celebrity in the eastern part of Nigeria, and anytime he's on set, people just come around. A whole lot of different people just come around. Like in this movie, even a masquerade came outside to greet him, and it's not everybody in Igbo land are actually honored by a masquerade. Humblesmith was there, Pet Edochie were there. They did their thing live there in Enugu. It was awesome, and we'll be watching the entire update on how it went down there. So guys, without further ado, let's get right into the video. But drop a comment, tell me, what do you really think Humblesmith is actually looking for in the Nollywood space? Is it here to stay or just on this project?
Ikemba the movie, hello. Overload choking. Overload choking. Choking too much.
I have a go. Ikemba the movie. Come in. Show them the camera, man. Already. I like to see her. Let's choose one.
Oh yeah, I don't know the situation. He choked, man. Nah, he ought to go.
Fingers are crossed as we await the coming of this movie. A whole lot of us are not used to watching all of this Igbo movie, but I do watch Igbo movie as well. Okay, let me know in the comment section if you still appreciate the creative aspect that comes out of our brothers, our Igbo brothers from the eastern part of Nigeria, if you still patronize them. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys on my next video.